All right, we are about to change the oil on the Suzuki 350, and this thing is beautiful. So simple. Just gonna pop the oil fill off. In your Suzuki kit, you have a little tool kit that comes with it. You have new washers here for your drain plug. You always want to use a new washer when you replace your plug. It comes with a proper Allen wrench and everything. It comes out the side really nice. It doesn't run down the side of the motor like I thought it was going to. Even the last drippage stays off the engine really nice. It's little things, you know. Alright, see, Tommy just took the new gasket out of the package, and I always recommend putting a new gasket whenever you change your oil. And it comes with them in your toolkit, which is pretty cool. Okay. Alright, we got a filter on the side. We're using X-Star oil, Suzuki brand oil. I absolutely recommend using that whenever you're using, you know, outboard. You always want to use the brand oil that they make, if they make one. It's the way I've always done it. It's the way I definitely recommend it. So. We have our filter right here. It's very easy to get to. That's fantastic. I like that the filter is upside down so it drains all the oil out when you're changing the oil. So you're not having a mess right now. You know what I mean? Okay. Totally dry.
Clean as could be.
Yeah. Nice. My old school car guys, man, growing up, used to always put a finger dab of oil. Yep. You doing that too? Yep. Let's get the gasket a little wet. Alright, you see our engine oil replaced at initial 20 hours or 1 month. We're going to do 10 hours because it's the first one, and we're kind of hard on the motors, and we're going to do it again at 20, and then from there it's 100 out. So we're going to use X-Star oil, of course. Suzuki brand oil, good stuff, man. Synthetic blend. This is 10W40. When you put your dipstick back, you always want to make sure you turn it into the motor like this so the cowling doesn't hit it and damage it. Don't forget.